Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Fusion headlight. First, gather your essential tools: a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and the new headlight bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Then, open the hood and identify the specific headlight assembly you need to replace. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient process. Next, we will remove the headlight assembly. Use your 10mm socket to remove the 2 bolts located at the top of the assembly. Once these are out, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. This action provides enough space to reach the electrical connections. You will find 3 electrical connectors. Press their release tabs and disconnect each one to free the assembly. Now, let's replace the bulb itself. With the assembly removed, twist the bulb socket approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release the old bulb. Carefully pull it out. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its plastic base. Never touch the glass, as oils from your skin can significantly reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the socket and twist it clockwise to secure it firmly. Finally, we will reinstall the headlight and test it. Reconnect all 3 electrical connectors to the new headlight assembly, ensuring they click into place. Carefully slide the entire assembly back into its mounting position. Reinsert and tighten the 2 10mm bolts at the top to secure it. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it is working properly. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.